The percent increase and decrease are good skills to know because you want to see how much was something marked up or how much was something marked down, etc. And so this one is probably the trickiest one because you have to do the difference, the amount of change over the original price, and then percent over 100. So we are going to use a proportion as we did before, but it's important that you're using the difference over the original as opposed to the two values that they give you. Now, of course, you could also use an equation. Original price times the percent change equals that difference. I'm not going to do it that way. I like proportions. So the price of gasoline increased from $2.08 per gallon to $2.60 per gallon, and we're trying to find the percent of increase per gallon of gas. So the original price is $2.08. I'm trying to find the percent change. And what I do know is this right here is a difference. So the difference between these two values means I would, of course, be subtracting because difference means to subtract. And I end up with 52 cents. So the difference or the change is 52 cents and it was increased, so of course that's positive. To solve a proportion, I just cross multiply. So that gives me 52 equals 2.08x. And then I would divide by 2.08. When I divide 52 by 2.08, I end up with 25. Now, what does that tell me? Again, because I use the proportion rather than the equation, I don't need to do anything to change it to a percent. My answer is 25%. So what was the percent increase? It was a 25% increase. Always good to put increase or decrease on those questions. Here's another question for us to try together. So by noon on Sunday, 15 people of a 24-person class have completed their assignment that is of course due at midnight. If 40% more students have completed it by midnight, how many more students have the assignment completed? So let's see what we know. I know that the percent is 40, so 40 will go over 100. So it's a percent change, a positive 40%. I have 15 and I have 24, and I don't know which one to use, so let's take a look. What's the original? How many students did I start with? I started with 15 people that had it done. So 40% more would be 40% more of that 15. And that means I'm trying to find the number of students that are different. So cross multiply, I get 100x equals 600. I divide by 100 to get x equals 6. So how many more students have the assignment completed? 6 more students. 6 more students have it done. So how many total? 15 plus 6, which is of course 21 out of 24 students. Try this question on your own, then press play to see how you did. So you have a stock price that decreases, so this is our first decreasing question, from $21.50 to $20.64. To find the percent change, I'm actually trying to find the percent because it says what is the percent. The original price is $21.50, and now I need to find this amount, which is of course the difference. So to find the difference, I would subtract $21.50 and $20.64 to find the difference, and that would give me 86 cents. Now, this is a decrease of 86 cents, and so I'm going to put that negative on there. To cross multiply, I would get negative 86, whoops, that's a 6, negative 86 equals 21.5x. I would divide each side by 21.5, and that gives me negative 4 as my answer. So what does that tell me? It tells me that there is a decrease of 4%. Negative tells me that it's a decrease.